Meaning of harden.
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 Harden. The term harden generally refers to the process of making something more resistant to damage or wear. When something is hardened, it becomes tougher and less susceptible to breakage or deformation under stress. This can be achieved through a variety of methods, such as heat treatment, chemical processes, or physical deformation. The result of hardening is that the material or object becomes stronger, more durable, and able to withstand greater levels of stress without failure. Hardening is often used in industries such as engineering, construction, and manufacturing to increase the longevity and effectiveness of products and structures.